Fall in love with this updated and move-in ready charmer, featuring 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a 2-car garage or workshop. You'll love the freshness of new paint, new floors, updated bath and more. Rich knotty wood pine paneling is beautiful and adds a warm, cozy feel to the dining area. Being centrally located between the living room and kitchen makes for pleasant mealtimes, board games, or just around the table conversation. There are so many updates, including new roof in November 2020, new garage roof in June 2023, new range, kitchen cabinets, counters, backsplash, dishwasher, microwave, and the list goes on. Backyard fencing offers privacy and the perfect getaway for relaxation or playtime. Located perfectly between Winston, Kernersville, and High Point. Make this your dream home and schedule a personal showing today.